Okay, I just saw an adult green heron coming into this tree. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And she's going up to the nest. And the little ones are going to get up because they know that there's a feeding coming in. Here it is. Oh my goodness, I'm going to zoom out a little bit more so we can even see the whole thing. And look at those guys up on it. Well, that's annoying. We've got somebody's car alarm going off. Hope that doesn't scare the adult off. That's not good. I'm gonna try to get some pictures of her while she's sitting there, but dang it. Okay, she's gone up inside the tree to see what's going on. Okay, thank you. That was a bit annoying, and we've got one little green heron sitting up above the nest, so I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get a picture of it. I'm going to zoom back in. You can see our little heron here, waiting for their food. Okay, the car alarm has stopped, so let's hope the mama comes back down to the nest. I'll leave it zoomed out just a little bit so that you can see the whole feeding. And I'm going to try to get a picture here. Okay, well, we can see on the nest, and now let's see if the mama will come in to feed them. Here she comes, and I'm going to position this a little bit more. There we go. And zoom in just a little bit more. She's going out on the branches. I think she's trying to get them to come out on the branches a little bit. Or maybe she's just a little bit leery yet. Seems a little early for them to be coming out on branches. Yeah, she flew off. So she may be just going to get some more food. Okay, we're going to call that one good for now. Well, we'll see what these little guys are up to. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Look at them. All over that nest. And I didn't have time to put on my glasses, so I can't count how many are in there right now. but I see 3 beaks for sure. Okay, well, our patience paid off today. Oh, one's coming out on the branch. We've got a brancher. This is pretty amazing. We don't usually see this early. Either that or I'm just getting out here a little bit late with these guys. Here comes another one. They're getting up on the branches. Oh, and beacon, of course. Got that sibling rivalry going. Okay, well, I'm going to leave this on for just a little bit more. I'm going to turn it down so we can see the nest. And so we can see them coming out on the branch. Okay. And we're going to try to get some pictures of these guys up on the branch. Well, that's pretty awesome. We're getting to see some branching and some different behaviors here, some beaking of each other. And this one is definitely getting a little bit rambunctious. Whoops, sorry about that. Going up on the branch. The mama came in from a different angle today, so that was kind of interesting. Okay, I hate to keep this video going, but they're out and about, and so maybe I'll start a new little video from where these guys are. We'll do 2 videos today. Okay, we're gonna call this one good, and I'll start another one right away.